All right, today we're going to be going over the budget project part 3, which is going to be due this Friday. So for part 1, you're to create your monthly food budget. You're going to pick out your 3 favorite meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then once you've picked the recipes, you're going to screenshot a picture and insert them into this document. So this blank page right here, okay, that's where your pictures are going to go. Next, you're going to go to Walmart and add all the ingredients you need for those meals into the cart and find the total price. Look at the store's online prices for ingredients and recipes and record them in the table. So here, you're going to put the ingredients for each meal along with the price. So like you would put chicken, $14.59, okay, and you would do that for every ingredient in that meal. Okay, then you're going to add it up and you'll put the total price down at the bottom. All right, so that's part 1. Part 2, now we're going to find our total, or now that we have the total for each meal, you're going to add the 3 totals together and multiply them by 20. So instead of you having to make 20 meals, we're going to just use the same 3 meals the whole month. So you're going to have your total for meal 1, 2, and 3. Add those totals together, and then whatever you get, you're going to multiply it by 20, and that's what's going to go in this last box. And that'll be the average price of groceries each month. So on your monthly budget table, your groceries box, that is what is going to have that price that you just found when you multiplied by 20. All right, next is your eating out budget. So in this section, you'll be adding your eating out expenses to your monthly grocery budget. You will need to research the cost of your favorite meal at your favorite restaurant. Please add all the please add a screenshot of the menu item from your research below. Next, fill out a table to find your monthly eating out costs. The total price of the meal times 4 will be your eating out expense. So whatever restaurant you picked up, whatever meal, okay, then you're going to multiply that by 4. And whatever you get there, that's what you're going to put for your eating out expenses cost on your monthly budget table. Okay, so this week when you turn in your monthly budget table, all these highlighted sections should be filled in. Okay, the other 5 are from the first week, and then we're adding in these 2. So all your numbers should stay the same, and then you should just add in those 2 rows, groceries and eating out. All right, in this section, you're going to be finding your monthly food budget. We're going to be putting together the cost of groceries and eating out. So your grocery cost, your eating out cost, and then you'll add them together to get your total. You're not going to put that number in your monthly budget table. We're going to keep it separate, but this will allow you just to see how much you're going to spend a month on food. All right, in part 5, just tells you to go and put it in your monthly budget table, which we already discussed. All right, so that covers that now. So that covers these first 2 things in Schoology. The second 2 are your discussion posts that are required for this part of the project. Okay, so make sure you fill those out. They need to be incomplete sentences, and sometimes, like even for 5, it says write a paragraph. Okay, so make sure you're reading the question and doing what it is asked of you. And that is the end of the instruction video for part 3.